Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, students. How are you? Fine, very good. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्या है? What is this? Yes, very good. This is letter A. Which letter is this? A. Today we will learn letter A. Which letter we will learn today? A. Okay, students. In previous classes we have learned these letters in our written part. You know now about these letters? Say I, L, T, F, E, H. Okay, students. Say it phonic. I, E. Which sound of I? E. L. What is the sound of L? L. T. T. F. F. E. A. H. H. And today we will learn letter A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for apple. Okay, students. See. This is A. A for apple. A for ant. A for arrow. A for X. This letter we have learned now in our previous class. Yes? Oral part? Yes, oral part हम learn कर चुके हैं ना? Very good. Sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. Okay, students? Now we will learn how to write letter A. You have 4 lines to beta? Yes. Firstly, we will draw one slanting line from pink line to second line. Okay. Now our second step, we will draw slanting line. Then we will draw once again slanting line, but in opposite direction. Okay. Now our third step, we will draw two slanting line from pink line to second blue line. Then we will draw one sleeping line. Okay. This is A. Which letter is this? A. A for ant. A for arrow. A for apple. Okay, students. See once again. We will draw two slanting line. Then we will draw one sleeping line. This is A. Which letter is this? A. Okay, students. See once again. Two slanting line. One sleeping line. This is A. Which letter is this? A. Now say once again. I, L, T, F, E, H, A. Okay, students. Now our oral part. In oral part, we have learned these letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now today we will learn next letter L. Which letter we will learn today? L. L for leaf. L for lotus. C. L for lotus. कमल का फूल. L for lock. Lock means ताला. L for leaf. पत्तियां. देखिए ना आपने? Leaf. Yes, very good. See once again, beta. This letter we have also learned in our written part. Okay. L. Sound of L is L. What is the sound of L? L. Say L. L. Log. L. L. Lamb. Say loudly, beta. L. L. Lotus. L. L. Leaf. L. L. Lock. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? L. And sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. Okay, students. Now repeat after me and say loudly. Okay? Yes. With phonic बोलना है हमको. Okay? Phonic के साथ. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. A. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. Okay, students, what is the sound of L? L. Now, students, these letters we have learned. Okay, आज तक हम लोग इतने letters learn कर चुके हैं. आपको इनकी